just hold it. Yeah, like that. Okay, come on, let's go. Smokety smoke smoke. Come up here. Right to the front. Okay, have a look at the hole. It's the entrance. I'm just going to smoke this. Hear them? Okay. I'm going to put that down. Take up the top of it, the roof. Okay.
This does not seem safe.
They've stuck it back together.
Oh God.
Right. First of all, you check that the queen's not at the top, but she isn't because she's marked.
Why do you not have her at the top?
Because otherwise she can get out and you might lose her. You don't want losing your queen. Right, figure. Then I'm going to give them a light smoking to get them down from the top of the frame.
They're getting angry.
Of course, if someone's blowing smoke in your face, you get pretty angry. Right. Feels like to be enough. Put my smoker down. Just get those off. Right. I'm going to take out my first frame over here. Gloves are nice and tight. Okay.
There's one trying to sting you over the arm. Oh my God.
There's nothing. Wait till you see the middle one. Okay, there's the first one. As you can see, all honey here. An empty comb. And then I'm going to flip it around. And they've only just begun on this one, so I might move that up. So I'm going to put this back in.
It's flying all over.
There's going to be more in this one. Okay. Oh God, this is a heavy
Why is
frame.
that one brown?
It's an older frame. Okay, the second one. And that you're going to notice a few different things.
That is disgusting.
There's worker cells here. Cells for babies. And in here you'll see the little larvae.
Are they white or?
Yeah, if you look in here, Hoshi, put it up to the sun. Look. Look down. They're not going to get through your mask anyway.
They probably will.
Look, see the little maggots in here? Have a look.
Yeah.
Alright. Still not find the queen. She's somewhere. Oh!
What?
We've found the queen with the little blue dot. See her? See her? Okay, move this camera out of the way.
Yeah.
See her?
Yeah.
She's a little bit bigger. So I'm happy that I found her. She's clipped as well. To prevent flying away, I'm going to put her down. Now, what I want to do is just be extremely careful with this frame. Because, of course, Queenie's on it. I'm going to put this down. Still making sure she's on there. Is she on there? Oh, I lost her. She's very fast. She wants to be careful. What?
She's in the phone.
That's fine. You got gloves on. Alright. Put this back down. Being careful not to push a lot of these. Right. I moved this was at the outside here. I moved this a couple of days ago. I want to see if they're getting along with it.
Oh God.
A bit more smoking because they're.
Oops, sorry. Nearly dropped it.
No, that's fine.
Oh God.
But look at this goes. It started, but this had nothing on it a couple of days ago. If you notice, they're after bringing that out. There's a fair few bees there. Put that back down. That's okay right there in the middle.
Oh, you crushed one.
That's fine. This is a pretty busy one, I think. Whoa, look, look the amount of workers on that, Roshi. Okay, now this is where you'll get a proper look. Steph, come here. See the maggots? No, not the camera. You look. See the little maggots there? See them right here? And those two.
Not really.
Can you see them yourself on the camera? Look, there's one there.
Not really. It doesn't matter though, doesn't it? What's all that white stuff?
White stuff where?
Down there. That side of it.
This side.
Well, it's in that one as well, but in there as well, yeah.
Which bit? This stuff?
See all, yeah.
That's honey. Seal's honey can last over 1,000 years more. But we just haven't found more than 1,000-year-old honey. And they started working on that a good bit as well. That's sealed honey there as well that they started to work on. And look, if you look at the floor, come here. Look down there. Look at this as well. Right, I'm going to put this back in.
There's a load of bees landing on the phone. Oh, you keep crushing bees.
No, I only crushed one or two of them. Well, you know what? I'm happy that we've seen the queen today. She's probably hit the deck now.
What's the deck?
Just the very bottom.
Oh my God, they're all along the edge. Over there.
What's that out? Bean cups.
Did they make those cups to get those circles?
Look, you can see a lot of maggots here. Look, see all here? The white things against the sun.
That's
see them?
disgusting.
You can see them, yeah?
Yeah. I can hear the bee beside my ear.
Right. That's not a... Oh, look at the front, look.
Whoa.
Can you see it on the phone? Okay, there you go. I'll put the top of it back on. Right. Be careful not to crush bees, so I'll put it on like this. Look, sliding it on. Reducing the risk of killing any bees.
And hey, look, there's one right there.
Yeah, well. Don't want any trapped up here.
I've got a big itch in my nose.
Alright. Right, they'll go back in. Okay, you can stop recording. That's the silver button on the top. It stopped. You think? Oh, it didn't stop.